Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you are looking for something really fun to add to your cocktail parties or something for your at-home cocktails, then I definitely recommend checking out this SIMOEFFI cocktail smoker. So we tried a smoked cocktail when we were traveling internationally and just thought it was so cool. It was fun to watch and it tasted so good. So since then, we had to get one of our own to try, and this one has been awesome. We now love experimenting with artisanal cocktails. This works great. You get that great smoked look in your cup. And I love that it comes with a set of different wood chips that have a different taste to them. So you can get a different taste profile depending on what you're looking for that particular cocktail. Overall, we just think this is super fun and it works great and we love it. So that's my point of view.